Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. Australian PM announces crackdown on hate speech after Bondi shooting. Trump announces warrior dividend payments for troops. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif launches Laptop Scheme 2025 at Haripur University in KP. PMC exposed IMF exit strategy. Let's look into details. Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese says his government will crack down on hate speech following Sunday's deadly shooting at Bondi Beach that targeted a Jewish festival. 15 people were killed when two gunmen opened fire at an event to mark the first day of Hanukkah. New laws will target those who spread hate, division, and radicalization, Albanese told reporters in Canberra. The Home Affairs Minister will also be given new powers to cancel or refuse visas for those who spread hate, and new task force will be set up to ensure the education system prevents, tackles, and properly responds to anti-Semitism. US President Donald Trump has announced a $1,776 warrior dividend payment to 1.45 million US service members paid for in part by his tariffs. In a televised address to the nation on Wednesday night, Trump said checks are already on the way and should arrive before Christmas. In the address, Trump touted his record on the economy and immigration while railing against Democrats. With a forceful delivery, he seemed determined to convince Americans that the country was doing well and things would only get better, including claiming that prices are falling at a time when polls show that many Americans are unhappy about the cost of housing, child care, and health care.
Now I am American. I have citizen.
I still have my Salvadorian passport and now I have my USA passport. I am a citizen of the US.
Khi cầm cái hộ chiếu Mỹ, con rất là tự hào mình là công dân Mỹ.
La ciudadanía para mí significa oportunidades.
Si ya tienen el tiempo que pueden hacerse ciudadanas, que lo hagan.
No pierde nada uno con intentarlo.
Como dicen en México, echándole ganas, todo se puede.
Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif on Wednesday, while inaugurating the Prime Minister's Laptop Scheme 2025 distribution in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, termed his initiative not only conferring laptops to students but rather creating an ecosystem where the youth can unlock their potential and much deservedly gain excellence. The Prime Minister inaugurated the much anticipated Prime Minister's Laptop Scheme at a ceremony held at the University of Haripur, attended by government officials, youth leaders, and a member of beneficiaries, all of whom expressed their gratitude for the scheme, which has already impacted over 1 million students across the country. In his address, the Prime Minister shared his long-standing vision of empowering Pakistan's youth, stressing the importance of providing them opportunities based on their capabilities to gain global recognition. The government has begun discussions to develop a credible strategy to permanently exit the International Monetary Fund after the expiry of the $7 billion bailout package, underscoring the urgent need for coordinated national efforts to build buffers and avoid any future program. Government sources told that a high-level meeting has recently taken place to determine whether Pakistan can sustain its economy in the absence of the IMF umbrella after September 2027, when the bailout package would come to an end. In the absence of urgent reform measures that require building sufficient foreign exchange reserves and creating complete value chains for industries to enhance exports, Pakistan risks slipping into another program, according to an assessment by the Planning Commission. When contacted, Minister for Planning Ahsan Iqbal said, "Our recommendation was that if we are to make the current IMF program the last one, then we need to commit ourselves to $63 billion in exports by 2029. Otherwise, we will face an external sector gap." That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Now I am American. I have citizen.
I still have my Salvadorian passport and now I have my USA passport. I am a citizen of the US.
Khi cầm cái hộ chiếu Mỹ, cô rất là tự hào mình là công dân Mỹ.
La ciudadanía para mí significa oportunidades.
Si ya tienen el tiempo que pueden hacerse ciudadanas, que lo hagan.
No pierde nada uno con intentarlo.
Como dicen en México, echándole ganas, todo se puede.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.